Hello everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Small Business Tuesday. Today I'll be going over 5 questions you want to ask your insurance agent when obtaining business insurance for your commercial or apartment building. First, you want to ask what liability limits are available to protect you in case someone gets hurt on your property. So the higher liability limits, the more you're protected from lawsuits against you if a tenant or their guest gets hurt on your property. Second question you want to ask is, how much building coverage do I need? So you ask this because you want to make sure you have the correct amount of coverage to rebuild your building or buildings on your property. Your insurance agent can work with you to help you come up with this limit. Please note that this limit is different than your liability limit. Third question you want to ask is, will this policy help me pay for loss of rents if my tenants can't pay my rent because of a fire or an accident that is covered? This will help you pay your bills or the mortgage at a time when your tenants can't pay the rent because they can't live in your property or in the apartment or in your building. So please note that this coverage will not pay your rent if your tenant refuses to pay rent for no reason. Fourth question you want to ask is, does this coverage provide additional limits for building ordinance or law? Reason you want to ask this is normally there are additional building ordinances that must be followed, and sometimes there can be hefty additional costs for these city ordinances. Final question you want to ask is, does this policy cover other business property? So for example, let's say you provide a stove and refrigerator to all your apartments in your building. You want to make sure these will get replaced at the time of a claim. That's all I have for you today. I hope you were able to find this information useful. Please comment below or message me if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just look up Ozzie Carranza. Thank you so much for your time.